I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn how to write equation of a line in slope-intercept form given 2 points. Question is, write an equation of a line through points -1, -5 and 3, 1 in slope-intercept form. Then calculate the x-intercept. So what we are given here are set of 2 points which are x1, y1 equals to -1, -5, and we are also given x2, y2 which is equals to 3, 1. To write the equation in slope-intercept form, we need to first find the slope, and from the slope formula, which is m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, we can find the slope. So that is the slope formula, right? So we'll substitute these values in the slope formula and find the slope first. So we say slope of the line will be 1 minus -5 divided by 3 minus -1, and that gives us 1 plus 5 over 3 plus 1, or is equals to 6 over 4, which we can simplify as 3 over 2. So that is how we can simplify after substituting these values, correct? So now we know the slope. Now once we know the slope, we can actually find the y-intercept, and we'll use slope-intercept form. Equation in slope-intercept form is y equals to mx plus b, right? Where b is the y-intercept. Now to find slope, we will use one of these points. So let us use the point where xy is equals to 3, 1. So m is already known to us now. We just calculated m as 3 over 2. This is the value of m. So let's substitute these values. Y is 1, m is 3 over 2, x value is 3 for us, plus b. And reorganizing, we can get, so we'll take away 9 over 2 from both sides. So 1 minus 9 over 2 is equals to b. And from here, we can calculate what b is, which is 2 minus 9, right? So let me write here 2 minus 9 over 2, and that gives us a value of minus 7 over 2, right? Now I'm running out of space, so I'll use the right side of this page, right? Now we simplified all this, and we got the value of b as equals to minus 7 over 2. We found slope m as equals to 3 over 2, right? And we know that slope-intercept form is y equals to mx plus b, right? So that is slope-intercept form. Substituting the values, we get our equation y equals to slope of 3 over 2 x minus 7 over 2, right? So that is the equation. Now the second part of this question is, which is this, calculate x-intercept, right? So we already know what is y-intercept. Now let's calculate x-intercept. How do you calculate x-intercept? X-intercept is a point where y equals to 0. So in this equation, we can substitute y as 0 and find the value of x. So that is how we calculate x-intercept. So let's do it. So we'll substitute 0 for y, then we get 3 over 2x minus 7 over 2. Now that gives us the value as 3 over 2x is equals to 7 over 2, or x is equals to 7 over 2 times 2 over 3, and that is 7 over 3. And therefore the x-intercept for us is, we can write down here, x-intercept is 7 over 3, right? 7 over 3, y value is 0, right? So that is how you can calculate the x-intercept. I hope it is clear. Thank you and all the best.